The learning tool I am evaluating and revamping is the PLTW curriculum platform. PLTW stands for Project Lead the Way. This is the curriculum we use to teach STEM subjects like automation and robotics and design and modeling in our school. This is the website. The table of contents is to the left. The students can toggle this on and off if they want. And in this section of web accessibility, we will answer 6 questions and look at the website to check web accessibility. The first question is, does the website include alternative text in the images they use? The answer to that would be yes. So there is a simple way to check if websites use alternative text in the pictures that they use. Simply right-click on the image. You want to choose Inspect and check on Properties, and you want to look at the alt attributes. The alt attributes does not look simple because this is more on the coding side rather than simply adding alternative texts in PowerPoint, Word, or Canva. So in this context, then, okay. Does it provide a screen reader within the website for students who have reading disabilities? The answer would be no. So as you can see, there is no section here for students to have that option of reading the text to them aloud. And I have contacted the vendor with this in regards to screen readers, and 2 years ago, because I have a student that wanted to have the text read aloud to him, her, and customer service suggested to copy and paste the sections the students wanted read aloud on a Word document, and the Word document has that option for them. Okay, second question. Does it allow users to enlarge font sizes? Yes, this option is embedded in the browser when launching the website. So all you do is to simply click these 3 dots and students can zoom in and out, or since students' tablets are touch screen, they can also have that option for this. Okay, third question. Is the color contrast highly accessible for color blind individuals? Yes and no. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these lessons over here. So you notice that there's white texts or white font in an orange background, and vice versa, orange text in a white background. These two things here failed the WebAIM color contrast checker, but the rest are okay. So the white font in an orange background as well as the orange font in a white background is non-accessible. Number 4, question, are all functionalities keyboard accessible? Yes and no. Some website sections, okay, I'm going to go ahead and use my tab key here. Okay, some sections, if I'm going to use the tab key, especially if I am up here, there's some sections wherein it will skip. This is probably because this website does not have a screen reader. Okay, the next question, the fifth question, are all multimedia and videos accessible? Answer is yes. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this one video over here, and then there's options where students can turn on the captions and subtitles. Okay, so students have the options to have subtitles in their videos, and then I'm going to show you another multimedia that we use. This is a 3D multimedia. Students use this multimedia especially when they are building their mechanisms. This gives them the steps on how to build the mechanisms, and this is 3D. So this is a neat feature. It even has keys in which students must count the number of holes specifically so that they can mount their mechanisms correctly. So there's another multimedia that's very neat for students to navigate to. There's also a PDF if students just wanted a PDF build guide. It's also there for them. It's that option is also there for them. And then last but not the least, are URL descriptions clear and concise? Yes. There's an example here. This is a PDF guide. Oh, one section that's not PDF. Let's look for the PDF guide. So this is a PDF, okay, version of that build guide. And even if the website, a while ago we talked about the website not having screen readers, the PDFs, although there is no screen readers, the PDFs are actually highly accessible because it has that read aloud option here.
Copyright 2023 project, Lead the Way Incorporated 1. EXP 1.1 Simple Gear Train Build Guideline. Automation and robotics.
All right, so that is it for web accessibility in this website.